Hey everyone, Maggie Shoddy here doing assignment 4, the project reflection. I was in the mobile learning group. Here's a slide talking about it. Mobile learning is something probably new for all of us, or semi-new from the teacher side of it, I guess. But it's definitely becoming prominent and we're using it more and more. So our sections were how can we assess student success, and what are the benefits, especially for kindergarten or younger learners, and then how can mobile learning benefit education when we're using it outside of the classroom. So all things that I think are very important for us to know right now. So first, my synthesis of learning. From my research, I would say the benefits outweigh the disadvantages when mobile learning is used correctly. Now, this is for primary grades, younger grades. I just think that when used correctly, when not overused and not hardly used, I think it's really good for the kids. It's interesting for the kids. It's shown to have higher levels of engagement for the kids, and it's another way to get your information to the kids. So we might be working on rhyming in the classroom, or sight words, or the letter sound combinations, and so some of those kids might get it right away, and others might not. Mobile learning can help us have another route to get that information to the kids. It's amazing when kids say, Miss Shoddy, here's the word little. We were just working on the word little in the classroom. Okay, so it might not have clicked in the classroom, but they remember doing it, and now it's clicking for them because they have another way to see it. Okay, so my second one, mobile learning gives us tons of options. It opens up a whole new world for us, kind of. Back here, Patrick has a nice picture of all the different ways mobile learning is. It's not just a computer, and it's not just an iPad. You can use your phone. There are smart TVs out there that you can access your internet and your email, so you can do it on your smart TV. I mean, there are tons of opportunities for kids to do this. Next, mobile learning makes it easy for students to do their work when it works best for them. Now, this might not be as much for younger kids as it is for older kids, but high school, even upper elementary kids, I think they can do it on their own, and when it works for them, they can do it. Okay, which leads into my next point of mobile learning allows kids to work at their own pace. Those higher level kids that you have in your classroom aren't going to be bored with mobile learning. They can keep progressing as fast as they need to. But on the other hand, those lower level kids that might need to watch that video 3 more times to truly understand it, they can watch that video 3 more times until they understand it. So I think mobile learning is definitely beneficial for our learners. But the takeaways that I have, and I think that you can, if you look through our presentation, you can kind of see all of these things in here, is being consistent. Okay, whether we're assessing, whether we're assigning information, whatever, you need to be consistent. Try and keep it what you did in the classroom. They know how to use it, and they'll be more comfortable using it if you're staying consistent. The next one, being clear. Okay, that's our expectations. That's our what we want out of them, how we're going to assess. Be clear with them. Okay, it's going to benefit everyone if we're clear with them. And then I had to throw a third one in there because I think this is so big, especially for primary grades. Don't overuse it. Okay, if you come back to our slides, I have a ton of benefits. Okay, it does help kiddos. Absolutely. Using multiple devices helps kiddos. They are going to be fine, but don't overuse it. They still need that play and socialization. Okay, this, let's see, right here. This quote stuck out with me. Okay, there are negative side effects to too much screen time. Okay, I know we don't always know how much time is being spent on a screen at home, but that's why we kind of need to have boundaries in the classroom. As I go back to the classroom, I know that I will have boundaries for my 3 of the 5 days a week on our devices, but we're going to make sure we're staying with academic things. Okay, we want to assist them to further their academics and not hinder them. So there's my assignment 4.